talking. Gotta stay locked in Goggins. Gotta ball out like Rodman. Straight to the top, I'm all in. Ordinary's like a toxin. I don't wanna be like Robin. I just wanna leave no option. Fuck caution.
Boom! There you have it. What's up, Peng Universe? Mga tito, no? Kamusta? Good morning. Right now, nandito tayo sa Alibaba's Beach.
I'm here for dominance, I'm being honest, that's what I want. I'll never give up, I want the whole place sold out. My name in every mouth, you know I'm after this shit. Till the world say my motherfucking name. Say my, say my, say my.
Yes, kita yung ano doon, yung Kuwait Towers. Yeah, that's a good view. Then merong ano doon, no? Tawag dito, may shade, no? Baka doon na tayo mag-ano, session. And I have our BMX bike here for today. So, another session, familiarization ng ating mga BMX tricks, and I think I'm gonna practice 540 tire tap today. Yes. Yes sir, as of now, what time is it? I think it's 6:20 in the morning. And maganda yung ano ngayon, no? Yung weather, hindi masyado mainit. So there's the Kuwait Towers. Ganda ano ngayon, yung weather, mahangin. And then at the same time, hindi pa masyado mainit. Kamusta yung ano dito, yung winter, no? So we have to find this out maybe next month or September or October. So yun, ito may nakita akong spot. Yes sir. What do you think? So tira natin to. Mayroon tayong 2 steps, 1, 2. Yun, no? Nakaka-refresh to. So we'll try to drop 2 steps. Stairs down yung. Pero bago ang lahat, no, warm up muna tayo. Wala pa rin nalaglag. So yun po, no, masyado malakas yung hangin, nalaglag. So dito muna sa lapag at baka masira pa ang ating phone, wala pa tayong pambili. Alright, bunny hop. So meron tayong isang step dito, no? May curve, 1 step curve. Yun. So let's get comfortable with hopping up and down. Ako, nalaglag na naman. Practice 180 first. Let's do some 180s. Okay. Alright. Got that one. So right now we're gonna do some 180 off this curve. Okay. Alright, now let's try to 180 in, 180 hop in. Okay. Damn it. Oh my god. Front tire drop. Okay, I got one. So let's take a different angle. Yung po, no, may tripod pala dito, no. Yes, we're gonna do this again. Gusto makita yung buong ano, obstacle na to. Alright. We're gonna drop first. Alright. iPhone problems, overheating. Habang nagpapahinga tayo ay nagmamana tayo water break. So right now dito tayo magta-try mag 540 tar top dahil malilim pa. Alright. So let's do this. Alright. Hey,
Driven by fear, never get tired, no I'm still here. Fell to the cracks, now I'm shifting gears. 10 years into my moments here. Waiting my turn, now I'm hot in demand. Slept on a kid, but I had bigger plans. Stayed low key, but I still hit drive. Give me one shot and I'm coming alive. Next on the last second, taste it. Gunning for the top, no limitations. From the basement, no hesitation. Flipping on my L's and straight motivation. Ain't no quitter, I'm built for the grind. Pressure makes diamonds, so I'm gonna shine. One more shot, get one more time. Driven affection, we locked in a...
Okay. So as I promised, I'm gonna end the video with that last 540 tar top. So I hope you enjoyed the video for the Tito challenge, and I'm so very hingal na. I'm so tired. I'll just catch my breath and then damn it. So yun guys, no, I'm gonna do another one. Shit. I never checked the camera angle. So I'm out of the frame, so we're gonna do this last one. So this is the last one I'm gonna do, the 540 tar top. Okay. Yeah. Whew. Yes. So we've landed the 540 tar top, and I'm so proud of myself. Yes, thank you Lord. Thank you Lord for giving me this opportunity, time, every day that I have a moment and time to spend with my family. Yes, of course, my family, my hobbies, my passion. And then I got to spend the time with you guys who's watching this, and yeah, no pain. See this? No pain, no gain. Yes. Got some blisters here. If you happen to like this video, please leave a like, comment, and subscribe for more videos. I'll see you next one. This is what to the third. People want to the third. Thank you Lord. Everything is possible with God, and to God be all the glory. Peace out.
Motivation, ain't no quitter, I'm built for the grind. Pressure makes diamonds, so I'm gonna shine. One more shot, get one more time. Driven